Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off today with the Pixie Beauty Nourishing Lip Balm. I love this. It has a great tip which gives your lips kind of a massage, and it feels so good. And I'm leaving this on until the end when I want to put my lip products on. So I'm using the new BH Cosmetics Avocado Toast eyeshadow palette. Love this palette, super pigmented, and I'm going in with a khaki eyeshadow color, which is super matte, and a flat shader brush from Sigma. I wanted to create a khaki makeup look, which you can wear throughout the day, which isn't super glam, but still beautiful. And you can see me putting on the color on the mobile lid. Nothing crazy here, just packing it on and intensifying the color. I already did my base makeup, so I used my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation in the color Golden Beige, and I used the Overachiever concealer from Hudabeauty in the color Nougat, and I did set my makeup with the Toofaced Born This Way loose powder. So these are my base products until now, and you can see me just repeating the steps on the other eyelid, packing the eyeshadow on, creating an oval shape to it, and then I'm going in with a clean blending brush and I'm just blending out the edges. So super easy, nothing crazy here, just blending it out. And whenever I feel like I did pick up a little bit too much from the lid, I would just put on a little bit of the khaki shade again, but that didn't happen in this case. So it was super pigmented. I'm not even using eyeshadow base, and you can see how well the color is sitting on the eyelid and blending out. Then I'm going in with the dark, it's kind of a black grayish color, and an angled brush. I'm winging this out on the outer corner, and I will bring this in to the inner corner as well, giving the eyes somewhat of a fox eye look, but nothing too intense. So just creating a wing, taking my time. I always like to stamp on the wing shape with my angled brush. So it basically does the work for you. And you can see me bringing this in into the inner corner of my eyes. And I'm also lining a little bit of the bottom lash line just to bring everything together. I wanted to put on a shimmery color as well, so I'm taking this beautiful khaki metallic shade, super pigmented, and I'm just placing this on top of the khaki eyeshadow that we have underneath. For my inner corner, I'm going in with this champagne colored eyeshadow and a small blending brush, and I'm also using this color to highlight the tip of my nose. For my lashes, I'm using the Legit Lashes Mascara by Huda Beauty. I have a first impressions video on my YouTube channel and on my Instagram, so if you haven't checked that out, go ahead and see how amazing the mascara is. I was super impressed, and I've been using it constantly ever since. And I'm not even putting on false lashes today, so I'm just using the mascara, and it just looks amazing, and I'm super impressed, as I said. For my bronzer, I'm going in with MAC's Mineralize Skinfinish in the color Medium Deep. I'm just bronzing up my forehead, my cheekbones, and a little bit my jawline. I don't like to do harsh contouring, so I'm always just bronzing up and giving myself a little bit of warmth. And for my blush, I'm going in with Snapdragon by Becca, one of my favorite blushes. And the brush that I'm using is the 146 by MAC. I love this color. I feel like it goes very well with the khaki. I always put blush everywhere, so people who have been following me for a longer time are already used to it. For my lips, I'm going in with a liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors. This is in the color Bear With Me. Just dotting it a little bit on my lips and blending the color out with my fingertips. This color is super pigmented and it's matte, but it's still super comfortable to wear. I just love it. And this is basically the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this a thumbs up. Go ahead and click the link in my bio to follow me on YouTube, where I also post all my tutorials. I love you guys. Bye bye.